Anything you need help with, just go to this document, which covers it all. So step one is we start PowerShell. Step two is we make a directory. I already used elephant. This time I'll call it tiger. So mkdir tiger. So does anybody have trouble making a directory? And then change into it. So there's my directory. Now the next thing I need to do is create a GitHub repo. So I'm going to say git init. And I guess so far everybody's okay. Nobody's had any problems. Now I want to check a file into GitHub. So I need to make a file. So I'll just make a file using Notepad. So what's the first thing I need to do with my file now that I've made it? Where do I need to put it first? Staging. Staging. So how do I get it into staging? Git add star. That'll stage all my files. Now I need to put it next. Where's the next place? I need to make a committed level. So I say git commit -m and I give it some name. And now I can use git status to make sure all of that worked okay. Now the next thing is I need to get up to the cloud. I need to get to GitHub. So I do the following. I go up here to GitHub and I make a directory by clicking on repositories, then I say new. And I give it some name. I'll call it orange. And you can give a description if you want. You don't really have to. And then most of the time we like to keep it private so nobody else can steal our work. And then we go ahead and click on create repository. After that, it has now given me a bunch of instructions. So I've already done git init, git add, and git commit. Yep. So now I grab this next line down here and I copy it and I go back to PowerShell and I paste it in with Control V and I press enter. So it does not give me any feedback, but it did the job. Now, finally, I get to this last line here, which is git push. So I copy that and I paste it in. And now my one file, which I have so far, is getting pushed up to GitHub. As always, I can do git status to see what's going on. And now if I go over here and press Control R, I now see that my file is up there. So does anybody still have a problem with this? Good. If you do, watch the video.